Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, as I posted, with the Windows 11 Moment 4 feature update that rolled out near the end of last year for Windows 11, Microsoft removed a small but yet a significant feature from the address bar, where they removed drag and drop support from the File Explorer for some strange reason, where you could no longer drag and drop files into the address bar of your File Explorer. Now, just to demonstrate and a quick recap, because that video will be in the end screen. As an example, currently now, after Moment 4, if I want to drag and drop this image into another folder using the address bar like it is over on Windows 10, I'm unable to do that. So basically that's where the change came, and this was met with a lot of negative review and feedback, and is a very highly requested feature that Microsoft reintroduces drag and drop support for the File Explorer's address bar. Now, I may have good news, and the latest Windows 11 preview build from the beta channel, which rolled out late last week, now finally lets you drag and drop your files once again onto the address bar in File Explorer. And it seems now that this is a feature that could be rolling out with the 24H2 feature update later this year. And if we just head over to an image provided by, and a GIF provided by Phantom Ocean 3 over on X, this is the new drag and drop support now, basically in motion, just to give you a general idea as more or less what to expect once again. And with the latest beta channel build 22635.3420, Microsoft now has added file drag and drop to the modern File Explorer address bar. Now, at this stage in the beta channel, this is on a gradual rollout, but once again, if you do use Valve Tool, you can enable this using Valve Tool sooner than later before it rolls out to everybody in the beta channel. And as I've mentioned, beta channel now is where we are seeing features starting to trickle down into the beta channel from the Canary dev channels. But the beta channel is also starting to test features now that we could see roll out with 24H2. And this has been a highly requested feature where users wanted Microsoft to bring this back, drag and drop support to the address bar. Not really known why Microsoft removed this with Moment 4, but it seems that drag and drop support is going to make a comeback, so to speak. And I think this is good news, because I've seen a lot of comments on the channel where after Microsoft removed this, a lot of viewers and users kind of were left in the dark as to why Microsoft had pulled that feature. But it seems they are listening, and drag and drop support for the File Explorer's address bar could be making its way back to the Windows 11 OS shortly. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.